interest and all. So yesterday we were solving the question of percentage. So from there only I will continue my slide. So this is the next question of percentage. Okay. So your time start now, you can start solving it. Okay, one response we have, that is A. Second response also we have, that is A. At least 3 more response I'm waiting for. I will change the slide. Okay, 3 response we have.
Option A, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to change slide. Okay. Option A is 3:4. That is the correct answer. I hope this is very easy question. Okay, because you just have to, do the ratio. Actually, the formula is only given here, but don't get confused with that. Okay. You have to just take the ratio of that, and by dividing it from the 3, then you will get the 3:4. Now I will change the slide. Your time start now. I'm waiting for your responses. Okay. One response we have, that is B. Another response we have 6%. Okay. I think that option is not in the question. Okay, sure, sir. 10%. Okay, another option is B, 3. Okay, I'm going to change this slide. Okay, 10% is correct answer. Those who have given the 10, even option B, that is the correct answer. So I hope you can just see this solution. If you want explanation, then also I will give. Otherwise, in half minute, I will change this slide.
You can explain, sir.
Okay, sure, sir. Basically, this question is asking for a trader mixes 3 varieties of refined oil. So the cost of different variety given, the ratio of different variety given. Okay. Now what we have to do? First, we have to measure the total quantity. Okay. So that will be the addition of all ratios. Actually, my video is, I think, not visible due to network issue. I'm trying to. Okay. I think it is good. So you have to just add the particular ratios. That will be 9 liter total. Then you have to just multiply the the amount which is mentioned in the question with the particular ratios, like 100 with the 2 means the first ratio with the first amount, then 40 with the 4, then 60 with the 3, that is mentioned in the question. The total cost will be 540. Okay, so cost per liter, if you have to find out, then you have to just divide it from the unitary method you have to do, where you have to find out the rate of 1 liter. So you will get the rate of 1 liter, that will be 60. Now the profit was, I think that was selling cost per liter was 66. Okay. So the profit was like 6 rupees. Now profit percentage will be like the formula which we have to use, that in 60, like in 60 whole, that is the cost per liter, and 6 is the profit, that is the formula of profit percentage. Okay, so profit upon the cost of that particular per liter, so in 200 when you are going to do that, will you get the 10%. You can check the formulas. Okay, so you will get the 10%. I think that is clear. Can I change the slide? Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, this is another question. Now it's time for percentage. Previously, we were solving about the some of the questions of the ratio, proportion, and all. So now it started for the percentage, because I have discussed the formulas previously. So your time start now. We will start with the basic question. Okay. So first answer we received, that is B. Okay. So first answer is okay. Again, it is not that. Okay. So first answer is B. Okay. Another. Okay. Most of you are saying B. Okay. I'm just changing the slide because I think that is very easy one. Okay. So B is a correct answer. That is a very easy question. Okay. 12% means you have to just write 12 upon 100. Then you have to just find the number from which you can just divide both of them. Okay. So that will be your answer. I'm just changing the slide. Okay. Then I will move to the another. Okay. Now this is one of the good question. In many year previous year question paper, I saw this kind of question. Not exactly similar, like the chances of this pattern only is there. So you can just start solving your question. Okay, first answer we received, that is A. I'm waiting for a few more responses.
Option A, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your response. 2 responses we have. Both the participants said A. Okay, one more response, that is A. I'm waiting for a few more, like 2 more responses, then I will change this slide. Okay, now I'm going to change the slide. I receive at least 5 responses. So the correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. Actually, this is written in a mixed form, but due to the printing issue, like it is looking like that. But the correct answer is A only. After half minute, I will change the slide. So you can just check your solution. Okay, I'm just changing the slide now. Your next question will be this. Your time starts now. I'm waiting for your responses. Okay, one response we have, that is B. 2 response we have, that is B.
Option B, sir.
Okay, 3 response we have B. 2 more I'm waiting for. Then I will change the slide. At least 1 more if I will get, I will change the slide. Okay, I'm changing the slide. We have 4 response. Okay, so option B, that is 32%. Okay, so you can check your answer here. Within half minute, I will change this slide. Okay, I'm going to change this slide. Your next question is here. This is December 2021. I'm waiting for your responses. Okay. We have 2 options, that is C. Few more responses I'm waiting for. And I will change the slide. So please, okay, C. Ma'am, you are saying C or okay. So three
C,
answers
sir.
we have.
This one is, sir. This one is C.
Okay, I'm just changing the slide. Most of you are saying C. So I'm changing the slide. Okay, so I think 35,000 was in the third option. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay. So I think that is very easy question. You can just check it. Within half minute, I will change this slide. Okay, I think that is very easy. So I am changing the slide right now. You can start solving it. Okay, two of you are saying B. Okay, I'm waiting for a few more response. I'm waiting for a few more. Okay, three responses we have. Okay, I'm changing the slide because so the correct answer is 20. So A is a correct answer. A is a correct answer. Okay. You can just check the solution. Even we have a direct formula also. We have two methods here. One is by preparing equation, solving equation. Another one is the formula, direct formula. So the correct answer is A. I hope that is clearly visible to everyone. There is no need of zoom in, zoom out. You can just tell me about that if you think that. Okay.
Sir, earlier slide, please. I think correct answer is B, 20%. Answer is correct,
Yes,
but
sir?
option is B.
Okay. Oh, maybe there is a mistake, sir. Okay, so answer is 20. Option is B. Here it is mistake in this option only written here A. Thank you so much, sir, for correction. So
Okay, sir. Thank you.
that is the printing mistake. Okay. As you can see, that is a printing mistake. So okay, So please explain after taking income of into 100. Okay. Ma'am, here you are using one formula. I'm just telling you about that. That formula is called, wait a second, I'm sharing that formula. So that will be clearly. Okay. Okay. So now, like this formula, like I know alternative formula you have, but when you are going to talk about this, like I'm going to explain it from the starting only. When you are going to compare, like question is asking that income of X is 25% more than that of Y. So calculate by how much percent the income Y less is having. Okay. So like you are guessing, you are accepting the income of Y will be like 100. Then you will just add that to make it 25% more, like of X. Okay, because it is mentioned in the question. For sake of comparison, we have to make income X equals to 100. So if income X is 100, then income Y will be 100 into 100. Like when you are like, I'm just telling you, 100 will be, because I have solved this question. Sometimes I also get that confused sometimes, but I will definitely tell you, because even I prepared. Okay, I have mentioned one formula that was only I was see Mehak, ma'am, you can just see the formula I have mentioned, because that time when I was solving it. So this is the formula: adjusted income of Y, that is 100 into original income of Y. So you will do this, then you will get the answer. So you have to just put this formula in the case of this kind of questions. So because that's why I also kept this formula in the slide, because yesterday when I was solving these all questions for you all, then I was for you only I prepared that. Okay, so I think that is clear to everyone now. I can change this slide. Okay. Your time start now. I'm waiting for your responses. Okay, one response we have, that is 6250, option C. I'm waiting for a few more. Okay, the another answer which we received, that is also C. You can just unmute yourself also if you got the answer. Okay, I think if last half minute I am asking for the answer, then I will change the slide because it is taking time.
Sir, option C.
Okay, 3 response we have. I'm going to change the slide right now. So option C is correct answer. You can just check the method of solving this. That is also very easy to solve it. Within half minute, I will change the slide.
Sir, can you please show the question, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
So I'm going to change slide right now. Now this is another topic, question related to the profit and loss, because yesterday I discussed about the different topics. So in a continuous series of that, this is a question of profit and loss. From here, we will start of the profit and loss. Okay, none of these you are saying. Okay, sir. I'm waiting for a few more responses. I'm waiting for a few more responses. Okay. One option we have again, the previous participant, like what sir said, then now this, now he gave answer that is 16%. Okay, sir. That is D option. Few more I'm waiting for. At least 4 more response I'm waiting for. Otherwise, I will, in the case if will not receive response, then also I will change the slide. Another response we have, that is C. Three response we have. At least one more. I will change this. Okay, I'm changing slide now. Okay, two response we receive, that is D. So the correct answer is D. The correct answer is D.
No, sir, 16% loss. And the option D is 16% profit. So none of these will be there.
Wait for a second. Okay. Yes, sir, that is a printing mistake only, because these all are the questions from the different sources. So 16% is the, you are correct, sir. But the correct answer is 16% only. But you are correct. That is the loss percent.
Sir, are you asking me? I'm sorry.
Yes, sir. No, sir, I'm not asking. I'm just saying that
Okay,
it is a
okay, okay.
printing
Thank you, sir.
mistake, because many times
Yeah, 16%
this
is
all,
yes.
so
Yeah, no, no,
yes, the correct answer,
no
but
issue, sir.
that,
No issue. Thank you, sir.
yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I hope that it is clear to everyone. So I'm changing the slide. So this is the another question we have. You can start solving it. Okay, one participant in, okay, two of them are saying BB, okay. Okay, one more response we have, that is B. After one more response, I'm going to change the slide. I'm waiting for only one more.
Option B, sir.
Okay, I'm just changing the slide. I hope that 216 is in the option B. Okay, then it is correct. So you can just use the formula here and you will get the answer. Within half minute, I'm going to change the slide. So you can just look into it. Okay, I think I'm changing slide right now. So this is the another question. Okay, one response we have, that is A. I'm waiting for a few more responses. Another option, another response which we received, that is also A. You can just unmute yourself also if you solve the question. Okay. Again, there is another response. That is A. One more response I'm waiting for. Then I will change the slide. Or if you all will say, then also I will change it, because some of you are solving that still there, also. So I'm just waiting for them to have their responses. Okay, I think I should change now. So the correct answer is 30,000. That was option A. Now you can go through the solution. If you think that you need explanation, then also. Okay, I think there is no issue with this. I'm just changing slide. Now this is another question. UGC NET question. Can just start solving. Okay. One response we received, that is B. Okay, sir. Another is also B response which we received. Third response we received, that is also B. One more. I'm waiting for them. Then I will change the slide. Okay, I'm changing slide now. So the correct answer is 750. I think that was B only. You can just check it. If you think explanation, then I will give it. Within half minute, I will change this. So I hope that you all are looking.
Sir, can you please explain this? Because I don't understand why it is called 900.
Ma'am, there is a formula of selling price because selling price have different formulas. So when there is a situation of marked price given in the question, so then you are using the selling price equals to formula marked price into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Okay, so that is the formula for that in the case of marked price given. So that's why when first you will minus it from the 100 minus that is 40%. Then in that formula, when you are going to put all these things, which I will again repeat, that is selling price equals to marked price into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. So you will get the 900 method. Then after that, you have to just resolve all that equation, then you will get. Or you need the another explanation on this one, ma'am? I mean, like,
No, no, sir. It's okay. It's okay. Then.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So it's all about the formulas which we have to use. So now I'm changing the slide. Now this is the another question. You can start solving because this question also came. Okay, so similar question came in my exam. So this is also very important. Okay, one response we received, that is D. I'm waiting for a few more responses. Okay, another response we have, that is A. I'm waiting for few more responses, at least 3 more, then I will change this slide. If you have your answer, please put it in a chat box, or you can just unmute. Okay, another answer we received, that is D. 2 more at least, or 1 more. I will change this slide. Anyone else? One more response. Anyone else? Or I will change the slide. Please give a response. Okay, I'm changing slide because it is around 4 minutes. For this question, I'm changing the slide. So the correct answer is 80. Okay, 80, sorry, that both statement A and correct answer is A. Okay. So I think that was the first and second statement is talking about. So you can just check it, or if you think that there is need of explanation, then also you can tell me. Okay, I think there is no issue with this. Now I'm going to change the slide. Because I have already mentioned the formula also here. So this is the another question. You can start solving it. I'm waiting for your responses. Okay, one response we have, that is C. We have received one response till yet. I'm waiting for at least 4 more or 3 more. I'm waiting for a response. If you think that I should change the slide, then also you can tell me just. Anyone? Only one response we have. There is a need of explanation also, then please you can tell me. Because during the exam we have very less time. So here we have very more time to solve each and every question. So that's why I request, if you think, then I will change slide or I will explain. Or you can just give your answers. Okay, I'm changing slide because it took really very too much time. Okay, so I'm changing slide right now. The correct answer is C. I have mentioned the formulas in the side of that slide also. That will help you to understand how this solution took place, because I have mentioned each and every formula. So you can just go through the solution. If you think that there is a need of explanation, then I will explain it, or after half a minute, I will change this. because these all formulas are very important for our exam purpose. So I've just mentioned them in the side of that. Okay, I'm changing the slide now. I hope that is clear to everyone and the formulas also clear to everyone. Now it's time for moving to the another part, that is simple interest and compound interest. So now before starting that, I'm just because in the previous session also I discussed about it. Now this slide is for only the formula purpose, like what is a formula of simple interest, what is a formula of compound interest, even there is a differentiation between them. Okay, so I hope that you all know about these formulas. Now I'm changing the slide for the first question related to the simple interest, because here interest equals to P is principal, R is rate, T is time. Again, that is the same thing. N is the time, like year. Okay, that like timing is here T. Then here you can like write the power at the power of that particular, means 2 year, 4 year or something, whatever it is mentioned the question. So I'm changing the slide now. Your first question starts now. This is very easy one. You can start with this. Then we'll move to the another questions. I'm waiting for the response. I hope. Okay, first response we received, that is A. At least 4 more I'm waiting for, because this is a easy question. One more response we have, that is A. 2 response we have, at least 2 more, and I will change this slide. I'm waiting for the response. At least 2 more. I will change this slide because this is the easy one. Okay. So another response that we see, that is B. I'm changing the slide now. So P is 900, SI is 81, T is unknown, rate is 4.5. So you have to just shift that simple interest equals to P into R into T upon 100. You have to just shift that all to find out time. So you will get the time, that is 2 years. Okay. So I think that answer I'm checking. Okay, A is a correct answer, 2. Okay. I think there is no need of explanation in it, because this is the very simple question. Okay, I'm just changing the slide because I think I explained also. So I'm changing the slide. So this is the another question, a little bit complex, not the tough one, can start solving it. Okay, we received 3 response. I think that is okay. Okay, B. So I think I should change it. So I'm changing the slide. Okay. So B is a correct answer. I think you can see that how the things solved in this particular equation through this equation. First, they found out the difference. Okay, because there was the difference between the 2-year and the equation I think given was 3. Okay, mixed form. So 2 3s are 6, 7 by 2. So there you can just find out this year. Okay, like 2 1s are 2 4 3 by 2. That year you will find out. Then you will just find out the difference. That is 156. Then for the 2 years, you have to just put it into the formula. Okay. Then you will get the SI for simple interest for 2 year. Not exactly. So after that, you have to just do the minus from the principal. To find out the principal, you have to just minus it from the given amount. Then you will get the principal, time, SI. Then you have to put into the formula. Okay, just you have to reverse that formula. Like P into R into T. For the rate purpose, you have to just reverse here and there. Okay, then you will, when you will put that all things in equation, then you will find out the answer. That is 13%. Answer B is correct. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because whenever you are going to put into the equation, that is going to get shifted. Like here, that is 2 by 3. Okay, that will get reversed, ma'am. Ma'am, because this is SI for 3 by 2 year equals to 56. Okay, but when you are going to shift this, that will go this side, then it will get reversed. Then it will be 156 into 2 by 3 equals to SI. Now for 2 years, 156 into 2 by 3 into 2 for 2 years. That's why. Now you will get this. Any doubt, ma'am? Mehak, ma'am, I'm asking from you. This is all about solving the equation, ma'am. No, you didn't. Okay. No, you didn't got. Then means again I have to explain. Then also I will. I'm here. The equation is okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. It is only the equation which you have to put it into here, like SI For 2 years, that is like 156 by 2 by 3 into 2. Then again, you have to solve it. So this is the another question we have. You can start solving it. Okay, first response we have, that is B. I'm waiting for a few more response, then I will change the slide because we have to start another portion also. So I think if anyone, those who have the solution answer with them, then you can just put it in the chat box. After 1 minute, I'm going to change the slide. I hope that everyone is trying their best. Only half minute left. I'm going to change the slide. Okay, I'm changing slide now. The correct answer is B. You can just, okay. Two response we have, that is B. So B is a correct answer. You can go through the solution. I think that is also very easy. If you have any doubt, then you can ask.
Sir, please show the question if possible.
Yes, I think that is visible, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
After seeing it, please just inform me, then I will show the
Okay, sir.
solution again.
Okay, it's done.
So this was the solution. I hope that this is clear to everyone. That is the basic formula which you have to use, and you have to just between the two situation, you have to just find out the difference. So that's why you're doing the subtracting it. At the end, you have to find out the common factor, that is p upon 100. Then you have to solve this equation, and you will get the answer. Okay, so I'm changing the slide now. This is the another question. You can start solving it. For this question also, you all have only 2 minutes, because this is also a very basic question. So I hope that after 2 minutes, I'm going to change the slide. Then we will move to another. One more minute left. Okay, one response we have, that is C. Now I'm changing the slide because it's 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes is over now. I'm changing it. If last few seconds, if anyone wants to give their answer, then they can just unmute or put it. Okay. Now I'm changing slide. Both the participants, they are saying that is C. Okay. So the correct answer is C only, 8%. So this is the basic question. Okay. I hope like within half minute I will change the slide. So I hope that you are started observing it. It started it. Okay, I'm changing slide now. I hope that this is very easy one. So this is our last question for this topics. We can start solving it. You only have 2 minutes for this also. So please, now it's 7:31. 7:33, I will change the slide. Then we'll move to the another part. That is data interpretation. Okay, one response we have, that is B. One two response we have. Within few seconds, I'm going to change it because I think now it is 7:32. Okay, I'm changing the slide. It's 7:33. So two participants at B. So correct answer is C here. You can just check it. So I think that is clear. Question and solution not matching. Okay. I think there is some again issue with during the preparation. Okay. Give me a second. I'm just checking answer. Okay, that was the mistake. Like the correct answer is 500. Okay, the correct answer is B, that is 500. Okay, so the answer given by the participants, that is correct. You have to just put the values in the place of this formula. Okay, in the case of this, the pattern will be same. Okay. The only thing you have to keep in mind that this formula you have to use, P in bracket 1 plus R by 100. minus P. Okay. So just like that will be 1 plus 10 by 100 into the power 2 minus 1. Okay. Then it will be equals to 525. Then we will just solve it by doing the solving the equation. Okay. So after that, we'll get the 525 into 100 by 21. Okay. That will be 2500. And when you will put into the SI formula, that is P into R into T, you will get the 500. So sorry for the wrong answer. During the preparation, that was the mistake. Okay. So that was the last question. Correct answer is 500 only. I'm just closing the slide because we have to move to the another one. I hope that is clear to everyone, or again I have to explain it, then also I will do it.
Sir, your mic is on mute, sir.
Okay, so yesterday only I discussed about the different formulas of the compound interest and all. I hope that last question also that is resolved by some of the participants, and even I have also explained that was the mistake during the making slide. So I'm just starting with the another topic today, that is data interpretation, data interpretation. Okay, just sharing the slide with you all. I hope that will be clearly visible to everyone. Okay, this is clearly visible to everyone. This is the last topic which I am going to tell you about, which I am going to discuss with you all. So when we are talking about the data interpretation, basically in that we are going to cover the different topics, that is sources, acquisition, classification of data, quantitative and qualitative data. So I think we have already discussed about all things. So I'm just I will just tell you the summary of all these things, because in the research aptitude we already discussed about it. Now we'll start with the source of data. When we are talking about the source of data, that can be of two types. First is primary, another one is secondary. Primary sources are the first-hand data, means you are just collecting data by yourself, by doing the survey, interviews and all. Secondary data is already published, which is already available, with the help of books, articles, internet archives and all. So I hope that is clear to everyone, because there's nothing like, very complex in this. Now, here I have mentioned one tip that distinguish between the first and derived data in MCQ. So whenever you are reading about the primary versus secondary, you can just go through the different patterns, like through which you can collect it. Okay. Now I'm changing the slide. That is another topic under this, that is acquisition of data. That is the method which you can use. Okay. First one is survey and questionnaires. Then another one is experiments. Third one is observation. And last one is government records. Even I talked about all these things in our previous session of the research aptitude. So if you think that there is a need of explanation, you can just tell me right now by unmuting yourself. Otherwise, I will move to the another, because I know we have already discussed a lot on this. So there is no need of more explanation. Okay. Here there is a thing which I have mentioned, which that is important. For the large data, you can do the survey. For the behavior study, you can perform the observation. Now we'll move to the another thing, that is classification of data. So there is on the basis of geographical classification, you can find out on the basis of reason based and all data. Then chronological order, time based, like from a particular year to the particular year. Qualitative and quantitative also we have discussed, where where you are doing the study of human behavior, like whatever the part of human behavior, feeling, thinking, opinion and all. So that comes under the qualitative. Quantitative is all about the numericals and all, data, fact and figure and all. So I hope that it is clear to everyone. Okay. Now, there is another thing. The basic difference between the quantitative data and qualitative, that is in the next slide. Quantitative deals with the number, like discrete, countables, numbers, like whenever you are solving the mean, mode, median, okay, you will get the series, discrete series, okay, number series, while you are performing a research, because nowadays it can be easily solved through the SPSS and all, but previously it was solved manually, okay, with the help of this all methods, like the basic method like the mean, mode, median, and another methods of the mathematical formulas, using them. Okay, using these statistical formulas, you can say. The number of student, like example of this discrete countables, continuous series also, there is a height, weight in that we are measuring. Now, in the case of qualitative data, I'm changing the slide. It deals with the qualities or character, which I was discussing, like example can be gender, nationality, religion, because these all things are related to the social sciences, like social behavior, human behavior and all. Okay, so these all are the part of qualitative data. I'm not explaining it, I'm just clearing the basic things, like revising it. Now again, that is basic difference, like number, statistical analysis in the quantitative. Qualitative have a word, thematic analysis. Like thematic analysis is one of the important thing, because whenever you are doing the content analysis, you first divide the things into themes. Okay, then after dividing into themes, then you will divide into sub themes. Okay, so on the basis of that, you are analyzing the data. Okay, so this is the basic difference. So this is the basic question. I'm not going to discuss this. I'm just starting with the another slide of the questions, which is related to the data interpretation. I'm just sharing the slide of that question. So because more and more you are going to solve, that is going to help you a lot during the examination. So this was the basic revision of the topics of the data interpretation, because tomorrow is the last session of data interpretation. So we can start from today onwards. We'll start with the average questions, because most of the the average, mean, median, mode is a part of data interpretation. That's why I choose that average part in this. So we will start with that. I'm going to share this slide with you all, and we can start solving our question, and we will even continue this all things in the tomorrow session. And just sharing that slide. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm starting presenting that. Okay, I hope that is visible to everyone. Okay, I think it was presented again. Was have some issue again. Okay, I think that is again visible in your screen. This is the basic mean, median, mode question. This is a part of average. We can just start solving it, because these all are the question. I just mentioned this questions because these are the, you can start with the easy, then we will move to the complex part. This is a part of average. Mean, mode, median, whenever you are talking about, then you can, there is a formula, I'm just explaining in the brief. You have to just do the sum of all the numbers which you have upon the numbers. Like if you have this particular series of number, okay, one answer we received. So if you have a particular series of number, then you have to do the sum of all, then upon the number of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So three answers we received, that is C. Okay, I'm just changing it.
Option B, sir. B.
Okay, so that was sir, that was C, 14. Option C is correct, sir. If you want to see question, I think maybe there is some mistake in question. No, that is correct. I think.
No, sir.
Okay, sir.
Instead of counting 15,
Yes.
I counted.
Sure, sure, sir. So the correct answer is C. So this is a very basic question, that how you can find out the mean. You have to just do the sum of all numbers upon the numbers. Okay, you will get the answer. I'm changing the another slide. This is the another question. Your time start now. You can just start solving it, please. I'm waiting for your response. So I hope first response, that is D. At least 3 more response I'm waiting for. Then I will change the slide, or within 2 minutes I will change it. At 7:50, I will change it. Okay. 2 response we have, that is D, 46. At least 2 more, or within 1 minute I'm going to change it at 7:50. Okay, I'm changing slide because it's 7:50. Okay, 46 here is correct answer. I think that was in D option, so that is correct. You can go through this. Even the formula is also mentioned, so you can go through this. Within half minute, I will change it. Okay, I'm changing this. This is the another question we have. You can just start solving it. Within 2 minutes, I'm going to change it. I'm waiting for a response because this is a little bit tricky one. So total you have at least 3 minutes right now. Means after 1 minute, I think that is over. 2 minutes left. No response received till yet. So please, because after 1 minute, I'm going to change this slide. One response we have, that is B. Okay. Okay, I'm changing this slide. The correct answer is B. Okay, one of the participants said B, that is correct answer. So this is a solution of that. If you think that you need explanation, then you can also tell. Within half minute, I'm going to change it. So if you think that there is a need of explanation, then also you can. Okay, I think there is no issue with this solution. I'm just changing the slide. We'll move to the another question. You can start solving it. You only have a 3 minute for this also. I'm waiting for the response. Okay, one response we have, that is D. After 1 minute, I'm going to change it. At 7:58, I'm going to change it because we are on data interpretation part. So I hope that tomorrow also we'll continue this, because tomorrow also we have lots of questions related to data interpretation. Okay, I'm changing slide. The correct answer is, okay, that is D. The correct answer is D. We can go through the solution. And this was the last question of our today's session. Tomorrow we'll continue even this all with some of the histograms, pie charts, question, table question, lining charts question and all. That is also one of the big part of UGC NET exam. So this is the solution. Okay. I hope there is no issue with the solution. So with this, I'm going to end our today's session. We will start again from the 9th slide. So I'm just closing this slide. I hope that is clear to everyone. I'm just stop presenting that particular slide. Okay. So I hope that was clear to everyone. Thank you so much joining today's session. Tomorrow we will definitely work on the histograms, pie charts, table charts, and different questions. And if you have any another doubt related to this, tomorrow we'll discuss that also, because tomorrow is our last session with me. Ma'am, you can just end this session.